Yeah, we're sitting here in my kitchen. We're gonna talk about what we're gonna do today. I want to make an explosion of something. Something's gonna explode and burn. And I got Santa's little helper behind the camera screen. And he's gonna help me do the explosions. And we don't have real explosives, but we do have a lot of these very, very high quality Vella hairspray, which are new and full, and they contain 400 milliliter of hairspray and the propeller gas, and they are most flammable. So one or two or three explosions with this will do a fine film, I think. Hello YouTube, here is SOS once again. We are at the sea in Sweden, Stockholm, outside Tyresö. And I have an idea about doing a thing which I have thought about a long time, that is to make a homemade explosion. And what I have brought with me is a bottle here with 400 milliliters Vella hairspray, which contains propeller gas. And I have my pistol here. It's an air gun propelled with carbon dioxide, I think the name is. It's a kind of gas which makes the bullet run. This is a Crossman caliber 22, very powerful for being an air gun. So I'm gonna use this one, shoot at this bottle at a certain distance, at about 20 meters or something, with some candles burning around it. So hopefully the bullet will make a hole in this one and the whole thing will explode in a gigantic flash. How the Vella hairspray 400 milliliter looks after the explosion. You see, pretty intact after all. What I expected was a huge explosion, and as you saw on the video, it came an explosion, but actually it wasn't. It was the streaming gas from this shooting hole here which streamed out and burnt. That was what you saw on the video. I expected a complete explosion of everything, that this metal would spread around, but that didn't happen. This is the shooting hole and the bullet stayed inside.
I kiss at last the beloved crown of my land, that I left one day with my heart full of pain. I have looked in the faces of my old friends, but nobody look at me as my old friend. And now what happens, you must tell me. You must remember who I am. If you see a man with downcast eyes and ragged clothes walking through your village, don't shout him, but go at his side. I'm that man, and now I beg you, help me. I need you. I need you. The liar who told my sweetheart I was dead, to take my place he shall pay for the space lie. Those who saw me as a round-town man, those who tried to destroy our world, shall leave forever our beloved land. Because we are fearless men, because we are fearless men, because we are fearless men.